Alfred is an American boy. He lives in Los Angeles, California. He lives with his family in a modern house. He is 11 years old and he has got an older brother, David, and a younger sister, Emma. He starts his day at about 7:30. He gets up, goes to the bathroom, takes a shower, brushes his teeth and gets dressed. Then he has breakfast and at 7:45 he leaves home and catches the bus to school. Classes began at 8:30. He usually has lunch at the school canteen at 12:30. After school, at 5:15, he goes home. There he does his school homework and when he finishes it he helps his mom laying the table. At 7:30 the family dines together. Alfred is a very helpful boy, so he helps his mother cleaning up everything after dinner. He usually watches TV for a while after dinner and about 10 o'clock the most he brushes his teeth again, puts on his Spider-Man pajamas and goes to bed. His parents always kiss him good night before he gets asleep. Alfred is a very happy boy.